I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a card from your current account, follow the assemble steps. Step 1. Open the current app. Launch the current app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Go to card settings. Navigate to the card section in the app. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Select the card to remove. Find the card you want to remove and tap on it. This will take you to the card details page where you can manage your card options. Step 4. Choose remove card. Look for the option that says remove card or delete card. Tap on it to initiate the removal process. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you have any pending transactions linked to the card, it might not allow you to remove it until those are cleared. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your current account more easily.